I want you to listen to Samuel. Read from verses 7.
Abafirisuuti bwe baawulira ng'abaana ba Isirayiri bakuŋŋaanidde Mizupa, abaami b'Abafirisuuti ne batabala Isirayiri. N'abaana ba Isirayiri bwe baawulira ne batya Abafirisuuti. Abaana ba Isirayiri ne bagamba Samwiri nti toleka kukaabira Mukama Katonda waffe ku lwaffe, atulokole mu mukono gw'Abafirisuuti.
Mukama mulungi yeebazibwe nnyo. Praise God. Soko kunaka. You might end there. The Bible says, when the Philistines heard that the born again have converted in the place of seeking God, they rose up. Satan has nothing he fears from a born again. But whenever you come to seek for God, Satan can rise up. When they convert to Mizpah, as they came to meet their God, the Philistines convert. It always happens to the children of God. Whenever they come before the Lord, whenever they come at the altar of God, they have things that raise. Condition can raise. Battles raise. They don't raise because they manage you. They shake you. They make you fear. So you may depart that place. Because the more you say that place, you are going to overcome him. You are going to melt him. So in that place there is the power. When these people went to when they went to seek for God, the enemies rose up. The demons rose up. Many people you can see them. But when he went to seek for God, the family rose. And many people, and I felt I lacked peace. I want to assure you, where you are, if you go straight to that place, God is going to raise up. God is going to raise up. If you that place and they raise up, convert themselves to you. Now God is going to be the them once. He's going to raise up them once. So that His glory may be manifested. Whenever you fear the condition, because if I go to God, when I seek for God, they have things that the shapes in the razor, the husband can come to the jobs can go to. They are going to but go before the Lord. You shall see God. The Bible says, when they convert to Mizpah, this is the place where they could meet with God, where it was the meeting place for God and children, where they could come to speak to their God. But Satan could leave freedom to these children when they are outside. When they are not before the Lord, Satan cannot raise you up there. The condition could not raise. But whenever they could turn in the altar, whenever they could go deep, now the condition can raise up. But they say today it is finished. I am consistent. He is going to be my enemy. And say you Allah. You have been chasing me. You have been standing before me. Let God cover you with the power. Let God cover you with the power. So you may overcome today. Let God come to you. Let the way of God open for you. Let your enemy just go out. Because the one you stand before, the one you're seeking for, overcame the enemy. No matter the rose for how long, no matter things have failed for so long, no matter the jobs have come also. But the Lord of Israel, the Lord of Israel, the Lord who builds the nation, the Lord who makes the nation to pray. Call Him and kyo.
Let him bring your belonging to business.
Mukama omulungi yeebazibwe.
Amen.
Bayibuli egambye
The Bible says,
nti bwe baakuŋŋaana
when they convert,
Abafirisuuti ne batandika
and
okkankana
now the Philistines got a reply,
ne beekuŋŋaanya nabo.
and they convert themselves.
Si nsonga emizimu gibadde gikuŋŋaana.
No matter the demons have been
Si nsonga
converted,
buli lwobadde yogera ku Mukama.
no matter whenever you could speak
Newabeerawo ekigolokoka.
God, there are things could
Naye
rise.
noonya Katonda.
But seek for God.
Katonda affe mwesigwa.
Our God is
Katonda
faithful.
agenda kuviirayo.
God is going to
Katonda
reveal
agenda
us.
kweraga.
God is going to
Katonda
manifest
agenda
himself.
kutambula.
He's going to walk.
Agenda kujeemulula.
He's going to make